Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will ensure safety during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the area around the CPU and GPU with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. Now you will need to remove the heatsink. This is usually secured by several screws. Carefully unscrew these and lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU. You may notice old thermal paste on the surfaces. This needs to be cleaned off thoroughly. Use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth to gently wipe away the old paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free of residue. Once cleaned, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of thermal paste directly onto the center of the CPU. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our collection and delivery at your home can make this process easier for you. After applying the thermal paste, carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, ensuring it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws in a diagonal pattern to ensure even pressure distribution. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning effectively. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your HP Pavilion 15-BC4FNS, helping to maintain optimal performance. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your laptop, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.